This is the visitors from the parlor. Then we have the WC. Then we have the tap, the washing hand basin. That's the supply for the WC. We are still working on the waste for the washing hand basin and the flooding. We are not through with it. We are still working on that. Why? Right, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We have our water heater there. Water heater. Yes, right, these are the supplies. The water heater is still going to the dining. We'll be bringing the hot water to the dining too, so that the dining will have a supply for hot water and cold water. That's for the kitchen. Then this is the first room by your left. As you can see. Okay, so this is this is the washing hand basin, and this is the shower point. We have a tap there. Then that's for the water heater. The water heater, the WC. You have the WC here. Just right under the window. The WC, there's the WC supply. Then all the way to the water heater. Come to the shower. Then the washing hand basin. We have the supply for the water heater, hot water and cold water for the washing hand basin also. Then okay, this is the second room on the ground floor. There you have the washing hand basin there, the shower, the tap as usual, then the washing water heater, the water heater there, then the WC there, the WC there. Now we'll bring to up. So we are going to the upstairs. Okay, this is the first room upstairs. That's the